Good morning, everyone. What is going on? Joey Contino here. I know you're probably watching this video. It's probably the afternoon or evening, but right now it's roughly about 5 o'clock in the morning and the sun is starting to rise. I figured let's run to the beach and give you guys a little drone or a seagull's point of view of the sunrise. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. A special thank you out to my patrons on patreon.com. It's because of them I can make fun videos like this. If you want to support this channel and have your name at the end of the video, all you have to do is click the links in the description below, and please do make sure you subscribe. We're trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the summer, so we'll say Labor Day Monday. Anyway, let's get the Seagull in the sky. The most beautiful thing you've ever seen. I always tell people, when you plan for your vacation down here in the Wildwoods, make sure you plan in one day where you wake up the kids. I know they'll be annoyed, but they'll go back to sleep. Where you wake up early and you watch the sunrise, because Mother Nature is absolutely gorgeous. And yeah, this is trash, by the way. One thing I always do is anytime I go on the beach, I always pick up trash. There's some here, some over there I'm gonna go ahead and pick up. But one really cool thing is that because it was windy all night, is all this ocean scum here. Look at this. Isn't this kind of crazy? Anyway, I want to go ahead and thank you guys for joining me. If you haven't done so yet, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and give this video a thumbs up. If you're watching this video in the morning, I hope you have a fantastic day. And if you're watching it at night, hopefully you have a great night and you had a great day and you have a great day tomorrow. Anyway, I'm Joey. Stay safe as always. I'll see you on the beach, which, this is too perfect. I'll see you later. Bye.